Today we're going to be going over the saute function on the Instant Pot Ultra. The saute function is the same whether you have the Instant Pot Ultra or the Instant Pot Pro, Luxe, or a Duo. So there's 4 different settings on the Instant Pot Ultra. You have low, medium, high, and custom. The low you're going to use for like things that need to be sauteed for a long time, such as onions. So you can put the onions in there and they're eventually going to caramelize. The medium setting is going to be used for thicker cut vegetables like peppers, pea pods. You could even use it on some like rice. If you're going to make rice, Spanish rice, you're going to want to toast the rice before you put it in. So that would be perfect for that. Just make sure, you're scraping the bottom of the pan because sometimes it'll get stuck on there and that's when you'll run into a burn warning. So the high setting is going to be reserved for those thicker cuts of meat. Whether you're going to cook a roast or like a pork shoulder or big cuts of meat, you definitely want to develop a crust on the outside, and this temperature is going to be perfect for that. You just put your oil in, let it heat up, and then toss your meat in, and then let it create that crust on the outside. Then you just cover it up, hit the pressure cook button. That way, once it's done, it's not going to just taste like mushy meat. It's going to be delicious mushy meat, but if you've sauteed it beforehand, you'll have a crust on the outside so you get some texture as well. And the custom setting is for anything in between. So this is something you're really going to have to play around with and fine tune, and that only comes with repetition as you use your Instant Pot.